When you talk about ATVs, the conversation begins and ends with one thing: the Suzuki King Quad. This isn't by chance. It's not by coincidence. This is a right that Suzuki has earned and taken pride in for over 30 years. It was 1983 when Suzuki literally created the category by introducing the world's first four-wheel ATV. And since 2001, Suzuki has been building their award-winning King Quad ATVs at their 35-acre facility in Rome, Georgia. Their state-of-the-art plant is located in the heart of the biggest ATV market on the planet. It doesn't get any more authentic than that. Of course, over the past 3 decades, there have been countless competitors to the iconic King Quad, which is why Suzuki's engineers and designers are constantly looking to innovate and improve. And the list of features that they have on deck for the 2019 King Quad lineup is sure to shake up the industry once again. Introducing the new 2019 Suzuki King Quad 750 and King Quad 500. Enthusiasts will first notice the new solid, edgy, and dynamic styling. But that's just the start of an impressive list of features. Suzuki refined the engine and transmission specs for smoother and quicker acceleration, more effective engine braking, and increased durability. By updating and strengthening the frame, Suzuki has boosted the King Quad's towing capacity, taking both the 500 and 750 models' towing ability from 450 kilograms all the way to 600 kilograms. By updating the electric power steering system, the rider achieves stable handling performance with less fatigue and a more comfortable ride. The front shock absorbers on King Quad ATVs are now gas-charged and tuned for a more comfortable ride on rough terrain. The rigidity of the rear stabilizer is increased while the bushings are softer, which provides comfortable ride and high cornering performance over rough terrain. With the considerable power that King Quad ATVs offer, Suzuki knows that braking is a key to safety and peace of mind. Both front and rear brakes have been changed for better feel. The newly added handlebar-mounted light adds excellent visibility and turns with the steering, especially useful in low light or inclement weather conditions. The rear light has been updated to LED technology for excellent visibility and low electrical draw. The instrument cluster has been redesigned with better contrast for improved legibility, and a service reminder icon has been added for owner convenience. Suzuki knows King Quad owners take their ATVs everywhere to do almost anything, which is why Suzuki added an all-new additional third storage compartment in the rear of the unit. The trailer hitch is switched from a plate type to a receiver type for more flexible demands, bringing a new level of style off-road. Select King Quad models sport newly designed sleek aluminum wheels. By updating the major chassis components, Suzuki achieves maximum comfort on long rides and easier riding on all types of terrain. These are just a few of the highlights on the all-new redesigned King Quad lineup. Whether it's for work or play, the new Suzuki King Quad is the perfect choice for your active lifestyle. Complementing Suzuki's legendary durability and reliability, the new 2019 Suzuki King Quad features 2 exciting new colors, bronze and white. When you consider the wide range of purpose-built accessories offered, along with the rich model line heritage, it's clear nothing's built like a King Quad. And most importantly, it's not just a new ATV, it's a new King Quad ATV.
The King Quad's engine, chassis, and electrical equipment have all been substantially updated. King Quad also comes with great new styling. Performance improvements have been made for every situation. Maneuverability and comfort have been improved owing to refinements of the frame, suspension, stabilizer, brakes, and power steering. Towing capacity has been greatly increased. Wall thickness of the main frame has been increased by 0.2 millimeters or 0.4 millimeters from the previous model, substantially improving strength and rigidity. The frame helps promote excellent maneuverability and stability. The rear suspension upper brackets, final case brackets, and rear carrier brackets have been reinforced, increasing strength. Towing capacity has been greatly increased from 450 kilograms to 600 kilograms due to increased strength and rigidity of the frame. Utility performance has been improved. In addition, the trailer hitch has been changed from the plate type to receiver type. This has helped enhance utility and versatility. The independent A-arm front suspension is preload adjustable 5 ways for maximum versatility when hauling a load. This suspension allows 170 millimeters of wheel travel. Valve structure has been revised with the adoption of gas-filled shock absorbers. The front suspension helps provide excellent road holding capability, stability, and comfort. The independent rear suspension uses a lower A-arm and upper I-beam construction. Independent shock absorbers in the rear are also 5-way preload adjustable and allow 195 millimeters of wheel travel. Valve structure has been revised with the adoption of gas-filled shock absorbers. The rear suspension provides excellent road holding capability, stability, and comfort. The rear stabilizer has increased stiffness, hardness of the bushings has been decreased, and the shape modified. The rear stabilizer helps promote ride comfort, maneuverability, and stability while enhancing cornering performance and rough road capability. Discs, brake pads, brake hoses, and master cylinder are standardized and optimized on all models. The brake feel has improved. A super strong multi-disc braking system for the rear uses 3 plates sealed in an oil bath. The brake pedal lever ratio has been changed and the brake arm has increased rigidity. In addition, brake power and feel have been enhanced owing to size optimization of the handbrake cable's outer casing. With the King Quad 750AXi, besides improved effectiveness of engine braking due to a change of CVT setting, the brake feel has also improved. The power steering motor capacity has been increased from 160 watts to 220 watts for enhanced durability. In addition, settings have been revised to reduce rider fatigue, achieve a comfortable ride, attain stable handling performance, and high cornering performance in the low to high speed range. At the same time, the shock from the road has been reduced to the minimum, helping to cushion impacts on rough road surfaces. The steering ratio has been changed. With the handlebar steering angle as it is, the toe setting has been modified to promote easier handling. The more natural cornering characteristics promote enhanced cornering performance from low to high speed. Also, more natural handling helps the rider keep to their intended line of travel on corners. On the previous model, it was necessary to remove the carrier and fender, whereas on the new model, removing the seat and harness cover enables access to the fuel filter. This improves ease of maintenance. The wide floorboard allows more freedom to adjust your riding position. A 2.8-liter water-resistant handy storage compartment is located on the right side front fender. In addition to 4 liters on the rear left side, another 4 liters of storage space is newly available in the rear center. The King Quad has dramatically evolved owing to various updates. Achieving high levels of balanced utility and leisure and hunting use, its performance has further improved as an ATV that is built tough for every ride. The King Quad's engine, chassis, and electrical equipment have all been substantially updated. King Quad also comes with great new styling. Performance improvements have been made for every situation. A handlebar-mounted headlight and LED rear combination lights are adopted. The instrument panel provides a convenient service reminder. The handlebar-mounted auxiliary headlight delivers focused lighting in the direction of intended travel and can be switched off independently. LED rear lights are newly adopted. LED lights have high visibility and long life. A newly designed full LCD multifunction instrument panel is adopted. The instrument panel provides a convenient service reminder, letting the rider know when the next maintenance period is due. A convenient water-resistant 12-volt DC outlet is provided for recharging satellite navigation systems, mobile devices, and other devices. The King Quad has dramatically evolved owing to various updates. Achieving high levels of balanced utility and leisure and hunting use, its performance has further improved as an ATV that is built tough for every ride. The King Quad's engine, chassis, and electrical equipment have all been substantially updated. King Quad also comes with great new styling. Performance improvements have been made for every situation. While achieving compliance with the evaporative emissions standard in California, USA, King Quad's balanced power characteristics have been refined from low speed to high speed. In addition, owing to improved CVT settings on the King Quad 750AXi, powerful departure acceleration is achieved even when hauling heavy loads. Durability is also improved thanks to a cooling oil jet to the back of the piston. Setting of the CVT has been improved so that engine RPM gets higher during acceleration. This helps achieve powerful departure acceleration even when towing or carrying loads. Setting of the CVT has been improved so that engine RPM gets higher during deceleration. Engine braking is more effective, especially when driving downhill, and the engine more manageable. Changes in parts for the improved CVT setting include the 8 weight rollers, each of which is reduced in weight from 28 grams to 25 grams. Spring rate of the driven pulley spring has been optimized and the groove of torque cam shape revised. These modifications help achieve powerful departure acceleration even when towing or carrying loads. Cooling performance is improved owing to an oil jet, which is sprayed to the back of the piston from within the crankcase. Thickness of the oil pump rotor has been increased from 8 mm to 10 mm, increasing the pump capacity. The oil discharge volume has been increased from 7.6 liters per minute to 9.5 liters per minute at 3,000 RPM. This helps improve cooling performance and durability by ensuring a sufficient oil discharge volume. The King Quad has dramatically evolved owing to various updates. Achieving high levels of balanced utility and leisure and hunting use, its performance has further improved as an ATV that is built tough for every ride.